Hello, welcome to the CUHK.
Welcome to CUHK.
Welcome to the Chinese University of Hong Kong.
Welcome to the Chinese University of Hong Kong. To start, we need to reach the MTR. Covering an entire university in one YouTube video is difficult. So in this welcome video, you as a potential CUHK student will get an insight into 5 prime spots of CUHK, as well as see me do something considered very crazy and risky for a student studying at CUHK. Obviously, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below or simply message me on Instagram. But first, immerse yourself in this welcome video. Send in your questions, thoughts, comments afterwards. If you are ever lost or wondering, oh no, which station is CUHK in? It's simple. It's literally in University Station. It can't get easier than that. To begin, right from the start, there are 4 exits at the station. Each one will lead you to CUHK, so don't worry if you get out the wrong exit one time. We got out at exit B, since that is the nearest exit to my school, the business school. So my lessons are usually in that building, the Chung Yu Tung building. Quite conveniently located, as it's right in front of the MTR, right next to the bus terminus, and right opposite the relatively newly made medical school. By the way, I am a year 3 student majoring in hospitality and real estate. Once we get out the MTR, we head inside the campus. Now you're officially on campus. The first thing anyone would see when entering the campus is obviously the buses, but in terms of facilities, it is the Lingnan Sports Stadium. CUHK has 2 sports stadiums. Covering all the sports stuff here in CUHK can take a while, so just let me know in the comments below or DM me on Instagram at @2magista for any specific info. After entering the campus and touring around the Lingnan Stadium, we will start making our way to the Yasumoto International Academic Park, better known as the YIA. Now, the YIA complex has many different facilities, such as a cafe, a bookstore, classes, and so on. It is essentially an integration. Do you recall the map? Do you notice on the most right-hand side, there are 9 names in color. These are college names. Every student studying at CUHK belongs to one of these 9 colleges. That is basically your home on campus. And in fact, this is what makes CUHK unique. Back to the point, YIA acts as an integration or connecting point between one of the 9 colleges known as CUHK College with the upper level areas of the campus or main area of the campus. Then we head almost to the top of the university to see the Pavilion of Harmony, which may arguably be the most scenic spot on campus. Damn, we are getting closer and closer to where I will be doing the craziest thing ever done in CUHK. So we're heading even further up now from the YIA. Now just remember, there is a bus service here which takes you all over campus, but that's boring to cover and very simple to use. Hence, I decided to walk everywhere so you get to see the scenery as well as start mapping this campus out in your head. And remember, this is the biggest campus in Hong Kong. So I'm walking everywhere just for you. You better give this video a like. Why do you cut to me? This spot speaks for itself. We have made it. I'm seriously at a loss of words. Look at this.
Now this spot is the place where every student on campus would at some point come here, take a picture and post it on Instagram. So when and if you do come here, I look forward to seeing you continue this trend and tradition.
From here, we will work our way down the university to the central campus, which consists of all these buildings. Man, I don't even want to leave this place. But without further ado, let's head to the main hub of CUHK, and then we will do it. And then we will bust the biggest CUHK superstition. Now, the central campus is the hub. It's where there are tons of restaurants nearby, tons of libraries, tons of study spots. It's really the place to be on campus. So we've reached the central campus of CUHK. By the way, this is the second last spot, but yeah, let's get a proper glimpse of this place first. Incredible, no? Oh man, I don't even want to talk about what I did next. Do you think I busted the superstition? Not a single student on this campus has ever dared to do it. And that is walk through the gate of wisdom. And that is all because of a superstition that any student walking through the gate of wisdom will not end up graduating. Right at the heart of the campus. And this is the plan. It's time to go. It's time to do it. It's time to show you. Welcome to the Chinese University of Hong Kong. Oh God, I will very soon be busting the biggest CUHK superstition and walk through the gate of wisdom. I'm yet to graduate. I even went the extra mile and took blessings at the CUHK gate. I couldn't do it. I got flashbacks of my ancestors looking at me, mocking me for not graduating. I cannot afford to not graduate. I'm Indian after all. I can do abandoned houses, the craziest of things, but not this. Ooh, what a landscape. Heading to find a spot. This is the final spot where we've been sitting the entire time. This is the Lake ad Excelentium. Such a peaceful spot. We can just come here, just sit and just chill. contact me on Insta or comment down below anything you want to ask. I'll try to answer. If I can't, I'll connect you with the right people. There's only so much that can be covered. Take care. Stay majestic.
Hello, welcome to the CUHK.